In this video, we will talk about mini ATM project using C and C++ programming languages. We'll cover all the topics related to C and C++ programming languages. These projects will discuss all the features related to your bank ATM machines. So now, gets started. Those persons who will visit first time in my channel, get subscribe and like and share to my channels. Friends, my name is Raj. My account number is 389701401234. I'm not getting my PIN. So first, I'm first visiting bank ATM. So how can I do? How can I do it? So first, this program will compile and run. Now, this is run. Welcome to bank ATM and insert your card. You will insert your card. Please press 1. I will insert your card. I insert your card. Then press 1. Press 1. Then please wait loading. This the desktop show branch date. You are registered bank in bank ATM. You register हो गया बैंक में या generate your PIN and exit help or so I will do first time I will help. To click H help. You can services of ATM we will talk about this. You can information call 24 into 7 180010002400. Now I will generate my PIN. My name is Raj. My account number is this. I'm not getting my PIN. I can generate my PIN. Then click G. Then click G for generate your PIN. Then click G. First, you will know enter your last 4-digit account number. My last 4-digit account number is 1234. So I will type this 1234. Then press enter. Account holder is Raj. My name is Raj. My account holder is Raj. Generate your on PIN should be 4-digit. Your PIN should be 4-digit. I will type the PIN 4567. This is my PIN 4567. 4567. Then enter. Your PIN is 4567. Now generate your PIN. Now get proceed. You are registered in bank. Yeah, I will register in bank. You now in bank ATM. Now proceed. Yeah, yes, proceed for P. Proceed for P. Yeah, okay. P. If any number between 10 and 99, it display show this. Any number can be between 10 to 9. For example, 55. I will return 23. Yeah. Yeah. Press Y if number is disabled. Number is display. Yes. Yeah. So Y. Please press Y. Yes. Please enter your account number. My account number is 1234. Enter. Yes. Enter your PIN. My PIN is 4567. 4567. Desktop show Windows will deposit money, transfer, PIN change, other services, quick cash, cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, mini statement. First, my balance. I will show my balance. So now show balance. For balance inquiry, press 7. I will press 7 for balance inquiry. Then my current balance is account holder name Raj. My current balance is complete successful. My balance is 1000. Now I will return proceed. Your number is 23. If any number to get it, you press Y. Enter account number 1234. Now enter your PIN 4567. Display show. Now I will deposit the money. I will 10,000 deposit in my money. ₹1,000. Now deposit 10,000. Now deposit 10,000. Then account balance is show. Deposit money to press 1. For press 1, deposit money. Enter your amount. To be please enter amount. How to amount deposit? 10,000. 10,000. Enter. Your deposit 10,000. Final balance is 11,000. Please wait. Then वापिस show the desktop. Now please play proceed. Enter your enter any numbers between 10 and 99. We play 45. Yes. Enter your account number 1234. Enter your pin 4567. I will quick cache. I will this quick cache. Now quick cache to cover quick cache. 5 to quick cache. 5 press 5 for quick cache. Now press 5 for quick cache. Select your transaction amount. Selected your transaction amount. My amount will be 500, 2500, 2500. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press 5 for 2500. Press 5. Then final balance is 8500. Your transaction is proceed. Now my cash is collected. Then press enter. Go to the back to the menu. Now we proceed 41. Yes, account number 1234. Enter. My pin is 4567. Final balance is now 8500. Balance equals to 11,000. Cash equal 2500. Now final balance is 8500. Now I will change my pin. Then press 3 for change my pin. Press 3. Press 3. Press 3. Press 3 for change my pin. Yes. Enter your new pin. Your new pin 7845. Anything you can decide. You will decide anything 99546. Then your pin should change your pin. You can decide the new pin. Your pin should be 4 digit. Okay. Make your pin more secure by changing it frequently. Okay. Then confirm your pin 9546. Enter. Your pin changed. My pin changed. Now I can proceed for this pin. Now press P66. Yes, disabled. Yes, disabled. This yes, disabled. Press Y. Yeah, enter account number 1234. Enter. Please enter your pin. My pin is 9546. Open. Okay. Now take other services: transfer, deposit, quick cash, cash withdrawals. Then cash withdrawal. Now press cash withdrawal. Now press 6. Press 6 for cash withdrawal. Please enter amount. Amount getting 1000. Cash withdrawal final balance is 7600. Now cash withdrawn equals to 1000. Final balance equals to 7500. Now we proceed. Example 112. Enter. Yes, disable. Enter your account number 1234. Enter. Please print 9546. Now all the now I will cover all the topics. Now transfer. Second, press 2 for transfer. 2. Enter. Enter your enter reception account number for other person. Suppose Suppose this is now Ankit. Suppose Ankit account number is 8976. Okay, I will transfer 3000 rupees. Okay, then now enter receipt account number. Receipt account number is 8976. Now 8976. Enter. Confirm account number 8976. Confirm. Please enter amount. I will enter 3000 rupees. Not 3000. 3123. Okay, enter. So your final balance is 4500. Now 3000 Ankit then equal 4500. Okay, all the topics are covered in this window. Now I will get exit. Help will be covered. Now get exit. So press E. Press E. Now get exit. Now press E. Get exit. This is my project done. Second year, first submission. I hope it is simple and easy to understand. This project have been coded in C and C++, and I am in progress in my coming semester projects. And you can also make change for more effective. Thanks. Subscribe to my channels, guys. Please subscribe to my channels on YouTube. Name